My husband's side chick beat up my mother-in-law and I was so happy about it. Apparently, my mother-in-law had been entertaining this particular lady and other women too while collecting gifts and money from them. Along the line, the lady realized she was not the only one going there, so she went to confront my mother-in-law. I think my mother-in-law felt she would take it lightly on her, but instead the lady attacked her. When I got there, I asked people what was going on. They were hesitant at first, but I insisted, and when I heard everything, I simply picked my kids and I left. I did not intervene at all. Later that night, my husband came home looking completely drained. I did not ask him any questions and I went to sleep. In the middle of the night, Baba woke me up and asked if I saw a lady beating up his mother. I said yes. Is she not one of your babes? Why are you acting like she's a stranger? So when I asked him that, he went silent. I told him, did you expect me to interfere so that she would beat the two of us? No. This is a mother and daughter fight. They will settle it themselves. He looked at me and went to shower. I ran to the living room to laugh that night. My mother-in-law is currently in the hospital receiving treatment. He cannot even tell me to go and visit her. I stayed in my house laughing. Truly, what God cannot do does not exist. He later said when she is discharged from the hospital, she will come and stay with us because they do not want the lady to finish what she started. I told him not to even think about it. I will not leave my work to take care of her. When she was receiving money she did not give me, he should figure it out before bringing her. He could not even argue. Embarrassment finished him that day. My mother-in-law has refused to come, probably out of shame too. To make matters worse, a lawsuit is now flying up and down. The lady had my husband arrested after he went to beat her for attacking his mother. He spent the night in the police station until his siblings bailed him out. When he came back home, he met me and my children eating and sipping wine. He just shook his head and passed. I cannot disgrace myself at a police station. I have removed myself completely. God has given me an entertainment and a live show in this house. For 10 years in this home, I could not even look my mother-in-law in the eye. Now my husband has brought home someone who fits all of them perfectly. He should deal with it. Suddenly he's acting like a good husband, removing his password from his phone and behaving well. So I told him, if your side chick could do all this because she was cheated on, then what should I have done? This particular incident sweets my belly and no go lie. They have been going up and down police station and his brother, even the DPO, asked where is your wife, and he replied she has refused to be involved. Yes, I have uninvolved myself from anything that will not give me peace. I don't even know how to greet my mother-in-law right now or what to say to her. Anyway, my husband has finally taken a break from sleeping around since I don't see Shaggy.